There is downloaded daten files. There are two versions of same files. Depending of the year of chassis you are going to work, there can be selected different daten files. Each series has its own daten files due to the differences in ECU modules architecture. All these files needs to be uploaded into assigned folders. BMW coding tool can be used for files uploading. Launch BMW coding tool. In SP Daten tab, click Select SP Source. Navigate to the extracted SP Daten files. Select Chassis and click OK. In Default Folder Settings tab, select NCS Expert. Navigate NCS Expert folder and select it. Click EDABAS, navigate EDABAS folder and select it. Click WinKFP NFS, navigate to ECUPPS/NFS folder and select it. Click Update SP Daten. Loading of files in selected folders is in progress. Loading of files in NCS Expert, EDABAS, and WinKFP NFS folders is finished. Launch WinKFP. Click F1 Comfort Mode. Click F3 Update ZUSB. ECU family is still not updated. Go back to BMW coding tool. Click Update WinKFP. Loading of files in selected folder is in progress. Upload is done. Now check again for ECU family update in WinKFP. Launch WinKFP. Click F1 Comfort Mode. Click F3 Update ZUSB. Now ECU family database is updated in accordance with selected chassis model. In general, all this update is the uploading of the daten files in suitable folders. BMW coding tool makes it easier to do. There is footwell module data files. As you can see, there is no FRM3 module file. How to fix this problem, see in the next video.